Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Konami OTP code. First, understand that a one-time password, or OTP, adds a crucial layer of security to your Konami account. This helps protect your valuable game data and personal information. You'll need to use a dedicated authenticator application on your smartphone or tablet. This method is the most reliable way to generate and retrieve your unique security codes for logging in. To begin, download a trusted authenticator app to your mobile device. Popular choices include Google Authenticator or Authy, both widely available. Next, log into your Konami account through a web browser on your computer. Navigate to your account's security settings. There, you will find the option to set up two-factor authentication or a one-time password. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to link your account. Once you're in the security settings, Konami will display a QR code. Open your Authenticator app and use its scan function to capture this code. If scanning isn't possible, you can manually enter the secret key provided on the Konami page into your app. After successful setup, your Authenticator app will immediately begin generating a 6-digit one-time password. This code refreshes automatically, typically every 30 seconds, ensuring constant security. If you encounter issues, first ensure your mobile device's time is perfectly synchronized. Incorrect time can cause OTP codes to be invalid. Always keep your Konami recovery codes in a very secure and private place. These are vital if you lose access to your authenticator. Remember, never share your OTP or recovery codes with anyone. For more great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, make sure to look at the link in the description below. This helps support the channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.